Hi everyone, Abby here. Welcome back to my channel for Tech Tuesday, or welcome if you're new. Now today, I'm going to be unboxing the new Samsung Galaxy Fit3 Smartwatch here. But before I get started, make sure to hit that subscribe button if you're not already subscribed so you can stay tuned to all my new videos dropping weekly and so you can help the channel grow. So I have this in the color pink gold. And it did come out in some other colors as well, which you could see on screen. And the current price as of recording is $79 Canadian and $49 American. Now these are sale prices, with the regular prices being just a little bit higher at 128 Canadian and 69.99 American. I'm super happy to see a low price point from Samsung, and the smartwatch was released very recently in 2024. And all right guys, now I'm gonna go ahead and unbox this, what you guys came here to see. So here's our first look. And we're gonna see what else is in here. So we do have some paperwork here, quick start guide and some warranty information. And in here I could see the charger. So it's a USB-C on one end, and the other side looks to be like a bit of a magnetic connection. So I'm gonna move all of this stuff to the side. And here is the Galaxy Fit3. I definitely think it's a nice looking smartwatch. So I think the bezeling surrounding here does look a little bit like rose gold, but lighter. But the band to me is not so much pink. It's definitely like a peach mixed with beige, mixed with white, and maybe a hint of pink. I do think it's a pretty tone. And all right guys, now I'm gonna go ahead and try this on so you can see what it looks like on me. All right guys, so this is what it looks like on me. I think it looks quite nice, and my first impressions are it's pretty lightweight, it is comfortable, and the silicone here is nice and silky smooth. And now I'm gonna turn on the display so you guys can get a first look at it. So far it looks really nice. It's nice and clear and contrasting display. And if you're finding this video helpful so far, please go ahead and smash that like button for me. I'd really appreciate it. All right guys, so now I'm gonna set this thing up completely, and once I get a real feel for it, I'm gonna come back on another AbbyBReviewing Tech Tuesday soon to do a full review for you guys on the Galaxy Fit3 here. So make sure you're subscribed with your post notification bell turned on so you don't miss that video. And this smartwatch was not mass market released in Canada and the USA. Samsung chose to release it in the other side of the world instead. I guess they didn't think the market was as big here for, more affordable smartwatches, but I am excited to check it out, and it is readily available. You can buy it in Canada and USA on Amazon. I have links in the description below if you're interested in picking up this smartwatch here. All right guys, so future Abby here. I've now had this smartwatch for a couple of weeks. I did get this unboxing out a little bit later because I've been busy, but I've been working on my review. I do have a lot to say about this smartwatch, some good, some not so good. So stay tuned for that video. It's gonna be dropping on AbbyBReviewing Tech Tuesday soon. That's all I have for today. Thanks for watching, and make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.